This government remains steadfast in seeking to promote growth of the Nigerian economy and by extension, the growth of the Nigerian private sector. I'm glad to note that following recent recession and supported by growth-enhancing fiscal and monetary policy measures, GDP growth has remained in positive territory for the past 11 quarters. I assure you that this government would pay close attention to your recommendations as part of your efforts towards developing policies and programs that will enable improved economic growth and creation of jobs.
I hope and pray that in the next few months, as has been said, we will faithfully implement some of those plans, especially the financing plan, which looks very exciting indeed. And I hope that all of this will work well.
Participants from the financial sector agreed to create a special purpose vehicle working with the federal government and key development finance agencies. The well-structured special purpose vehicle will be used to mobilize close to 1.5 trillion naira in funds from banks, pension funds, and other financial institutions to fund road, power, and port infrastructure. The recommendations were also made on ways to improve broadband penetration in the country.